Dear students, now we'll solve the problem in order to find out the eigen values and the eigen functions. This gives 12 marks for us in the exam. Now how to solve this? We'll solve in the manner of how we have solved the degenerate kernel. In the same fashion we are going to solve to find the values of lambda and also to find the values of C1. Then we'll find the eigen functions. Now first of all we'll try to solve this one in this manner. Now given I may write phi of x is equal to, I'll just integral 0 to phi, I'll shift inside and the cos square x I'll take outside because it is in x term. So lambda cos square x integral 0 to pi cos 2t phi of t dt plus lambda cos 3x integral 0 to pi cos cube t phi of t dt. Just simply I have taken cos lambda cos square x outside and lambda cos 3x outside. Now let us take this as C1, this entire thing, and this as C2. So therefore what we will get? Phi of x is equal to lambda cos square x, this entire thing is C1, and lambda cos 3x, this entire thing is C2. Now you got us like this. Now let us take this as equation number 1. So simply what we have done, we have taken the integral inside and we have taken the C1 and the C2. Now where C1 is what? The C1 is equal to integral 0 to pi cos 2t phi of t dt, and C2 is equal to C2 is equal to integral 0 to pi cos cube t phi of t dt. Now this is what we got. We have taken C2 and C1. Now you should understand this phi of t value we will get from equation 1. Now we will try to solve first C1, then later on C2. Now we will take phi of t. Now this is C1 is equal to, now I am writing directly, I am just substituting cos 2t into phi of t means this entire value, that is lambda cos square t in the place of x t C1 plus lambda cos 3t C2. This is what we have for the phi of t. Now I have just taken in this. Now we will try to solve this one later after solving this. Okay, now we will try to multiply this cos 2t inside. Now this is integral 0 to pi lambda cos 2t cos square t C1 plus, again the lambda is here, so cos 2t, so lambda cos 2t and the cos 3t C2. This is what we have multiplied inside. This is dt. Okay, just simply I have multiplied cos inside. Then we'll take in the form of like this. I'll just rub this one so that you'll understand clearly. Okay, right. Then so therefore what we'll take, this one we'll take here. This is integral lambda C1, I'll write outside. Lambda C1 integral 0 to pi cos 2t cos square t dt. Yeah, missed the dt here. Okay, sorry, both are same. Okay, separately I have taken the integral. We'll take separately integral such that we'll get. So plus lambda C2 integral 0 to pi cos 2t cos 3t dt. This is what we got. Lambda C1 cos 2t cos square t, lambda C2 cos 2t cos 3t we got. Okay, now we'll try to solve this. So therefore what you are going to have here is lambda C1 integral 0 to pi cos 2t cos square t means 1 plus cos 2t by 2. Formula is there, we have 1 plus cos 2t by 2. This is the formula which I have changed with the help of the, we have from the trigonometry we will have the cos square t is 1 plus cos 2t by 2 dt plus lambda C2 integral 0 to pi, this one cos A cos B. So cos A cos B, if I multiply 2, so we will get 2 cos A cos B by lambda c by 2. I will write 2 here. So 2 cos A cos B means nothing but cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. So I will write cos A plus B as 2t plus 3t is 5t plus cos A minus B 3t minus 2t or 2t minus 3t. 3t minus 2t. A will take this, B will take this. So you will be getting as cos t. Again this is dt. Okay, lambda c1 cos this one cos that we have done. Okay, cos A plus B to cos A minus B. Okay, right. Now this is lambda c1. I'll just multiply cos t, cos 2t inside. So I may write this as integral 0 to pi cos 2t by 2. If I multiply cos 2t here, it will be getting cos 2t. The by 2 will be plus cos square 2t by 2. Individually I have multiplied. This is becomes dt plus. Thus I may write as lambda c2 by 2 into integral 0 to pi cos phi t dt plus integral 0 to pi cos t dt. Individually I wanted to do the integral separately. Now this one lambda c1 I'll take 2 outside. Now this becomes integral 0 to pi cos 2t. Cos 2t is nothing but sin 2t by 2. Sin 2t by 2 under 0 to pi. This is what we got. Sin 2t by 2 under 0 to pi. Plus then this is lambda c1 again. Lambda c1 by 2 cos square t means I will write integral 0 to pi 1 plus cos 4t by 2 dt. 1 plus cos 4t by 2 dt. This cos square t dt. Next lambda c2 by 2, this cos 2t means sin phi t. Sorry, cos phi t. So sin phi t by 5. Okay. Again plus sin t by sin t. Integral cost is sin t. Okay, so both under 0 to pi. Okay, now this becomes lambda c1 by 2. This is sin 2 pi and the cos 2 pi. This is anyhow 0. So understand, sin 2 pi is 0. Cos sin 2 pi is 0, sin 0 is 0. So this everything is 0. Plus lambda c1 by, I take 2 outside here, means this becomes as 4 integral. Here t will be t plus here sin 4t by 4 under 0 to pi. Cos 4t is there, no? That is sin 4t by 4. 4t by 4 at 2 I have already taken outside, that becomes as a this 4. And this is lambda c2 and this is under 0 to pi. This everything is 0. This also 0. So lambda c2 by 2 is 0 plus 0. Sin n pi is nothing but 0. So this is both are 0. Then what you got here next? After getting that, you can understand here. This is anyhow 0. Now what you got as only one term. The left side is nothing but c1 is there already, and the left side is all c1. Okay, this is all c1 equal to, right? Lambda c1. This is all c1 equal to. Now this is 0, and this one you should understand pi will be there, and the pi minus 0. This is anyhow 0. So pi lambda c1 by 4 pi minus 0. This one, and this is 0 plus this is also 0. The total term you got as this means this is 0 as well as this is 0. This, if you apply upper limit and lower limit, this is 0, and this is pi minus 0 lambda c1 by 4. Okay, this is anyhow 0. This is c1 equal to, everything is 0. So you got as this one. Now this is c1 is equal to lambda c1 pi by 4. You got as c1 is equal to this. Now I may take this one as c1 minus lambda c1 pi by 4 is equal to 0. This is equation 1. This is equation 1 you got. This is equation 1 we have taken previously. Now this we take it as equation 2. Now this is the equation which you got from the C1. Now we'll try to find out the equation with the help of the C2. What type of equation you are going to have. Okay. Now let us try to find out the equation with the help of C2. So that we will get another equation which is in the form of C2, and we will solve that equation and this equation. We will get the answer for lambda as well. Okay. Now what is C2? Now C2 is equal to, C2 is nothing but integral 0 to pi cos cube t phi of t dt. This is already we have taken C2. Now again we will take C2 is equal to integral 0 to pi cos cube t phi of t. Now phi of t we have to take from the equation 1, that is lambda cos square t c1 plus lambda cos 3t c2. Now this is what? Lambda cos square t c1 plus lambda cos 3t c2. This is again dt. Now we need to solve this one. Solve. So therefore we can write in the form like 0 to pi lambda cos cube t cos square t c1 plus c1 dt. I'll take separately integral 0 to pi. I just multiply inside lambda cos cube t cos 3t c2. Then this is dt. Okay. Now we have one formula. The formula is nothing but cos 3t. Now we have cos 3t is equal to minus 3 cos t plus 4 cos cube t. This is what we have, or 4 cos cube t minus 3 cos t. Now cos cube t you want, cos cube t. Now cos cube t you will be getting like this. Now this is cos 3t plus 3 cos t by 4. From this you can substitute cos cube t as cos 3t plus 3 cos t by 4. Now here also you can substitute in the similar fashion. Now this is lambda c1, I will write outside integral 0 to pi cos cube t. Cos cube t is cos 3t plus 3 cos t by 4 into cos square t. Now shall I change this cos square t also? Cos square t is 1 plus cos 2t by 2. This also have changed. This one, for this, only for this I have changed, and this also have changed. Now let us change this one also. Okay, this one plus integral 0 to pi lambda, otherwise we will take lambda c2 outside integral 0 to pi. Now this cos cube t already we have written, no? That is cos 3t plus 3 cos t by 4 into cos 3t dt. Okay, so this have changed, and this also have changed. Okay, now this is 4 and the 2 I'll take outside, means 8. So lambda c1 8 integral 0 to pi, I'll multiply cos 3t into 1 cos 3t. Okay, plus cos 3t into 1 is cos 3t, cos 3t into cos 3t into cos 2t. This is what we have, plus 3 cos t into 1 3 cos t plus 3 cos t into cos t 3 cos t into cos 2t. Okay, this is just for this term, plus lambda c2, I may take 4 outside, 4 integral 0 to pi cos 3t into cos 3t, means cos square 3t plus 3 cos t and cos 3t. This is dt. So cos 3t, cos square 3t, 3 cos t, cos t, 3 cos t, cos 3t. Now from that we will try to find out the value. We will try to solve this. Now this as it is, we will take cos 3t as sin 3t by 3. This is, I will multiply 2 such that we will get 2 cos a cos b, cos a plus b, cos a minus b. This is directly we will get this also cos a plus b plus cos a minus b, and this I will take 1 plus cos 60 This cos A plus B and cos A minus B. Okay, so therefore lambda C1 by 8. Now this I'll change. This directly I'll take integral. This is sin 3t by 3. This is sin 3t by 3 plus this I will write this just after integration. Okay, after integration, and this after integration, this is 0 to pi. Now this becomes as integral 0 to pi. I'll multiply 1 by 2 and divide 1 by 2 cos A plus B cos A minus B. Okay, dt. Cos A plus B cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. This is dt plus I'll take directly this one 3, then becomes as sin t under 0 to pi. This one again, this is 3 by 2 integral 0 to pi. Now this become cos A plus B. Cos A plus B is cos 3t. Cos A minus B is cos t dt. This term is like that. Okay, next term plus lambda C2 by 4. This term I may write this as integral 0 to pi cos 1 plus cos 60 by 2. Okay, dt plus this one 3 by 2 integral 0 to pi cos 40 plus cos t 40 plus cos t dt. This one cos A plus B